Hi loves, welcome back to the channel. I'm here to make do everything beauty, skincare and lifestyle. I'm going to be doing another Aliexpress haul today. I have my scissors, so I did one the last time and I think you guys actually like it, so I'm going to be doing another one. You're going to see me unboxing some things today, okay, and probably another day because Aliexpress things does not come at once, okay, and most of these things actually came before the time they said it was going to come. It came really early, so we are just going to try and unbox some of the things we have here, and when the others comes we're going to still unbox them, okay? So let's box. So I have 1 2 3 4 items in this box, and I also have another one here. I got 2 of this. So this is a toilet, what do they call this again? I honestly do not know, but this is used to wash the toilet seater, you know, the normal ones we have here in Nigeria. But yeah, this is really fancy and it looks beautiful. We're making everything look beautiful, guys. Both things we're going to use in our room and things we're going to use in the toilet. This is really fancy to me. It's really cute. I think this is something you use to wash like the upper part of the toilet seater, and then, so we use this one to wash the inner part, okay? Let's see what this is. This is a screen guard. I got 6 pairs. All the links of everything I got is going to be on the description box, okay? So yeah, and these ones are for my iPhone XX Max. Have here, okay, this is an AirPod pouch. Got this for my sister. This is a band, like a lace band, a band you use for your frontal lace when you're laying your edges. I think I got the 2.5 m. I think I got the 2.5 m. Okay, so this is what you use when you're laying your frontal. I really love this size. I got this one also for my sister. She wanted one of this. I have one already. So the last thing we have here, yeah, this should be a headband. Oh, okay, the hair bonnet. This is a hair bonnet. So this is a hair bonnet, guys, and this is the last thing we have here. Just put it on. This is how this is, guys. This is really cute, but I think, yeah, it's cute. It's cute. I got this one also for my sister. I have one already. I love it. I mean, I'm sure she will love it too. Another beautiful day, another haul. On this channel, we do not wait for everything to come before we make a haul, okay? We just, as it comes, we open, we make the haul. So my remote holder is there, guys. Yay! If you've seen my previous haul, you know I ordered some remote holder before, and I got this one for myself, guys. I really love the simplicity of this one. So this is just how I'm going to put this. Yeah, this is really cute. Okay, I think the difference is that it's actually really small. Just putting 3 remotes here, I think it occupied all the space already. If I really want to put something here, it has to be really small. But I think it was able to hold 1 2 3 remotes. So yeah, it's cute. So this is a bathroom shelf organizer. This is how it is. I'm going to just leave a picture on this video so you will know how it is in the bathroom, but basically just put it on the wall like this and organize the things you want to organize on it, okay? This is how this is. I think you are going to remove the I think there's a plaster here and then gum into the wall. Yeah, yep, So hi guys, another day, another Aliexpress haul. Okay, so this just came in. I actually went to pick it up. Why did I squeeze the thing like this? Everything is the same length. I actually thought I got like different lengths, guys. Why does everything look the same way? Came with 20 pairs. I'm looking at it from the mirror. They are not the same, okay, but they are all long. This also came with a spoolie and a Twizzler. Is that what they call it? But yeah, it's really cute. I think it's a mini gift attached to it. You see, these things are torn already. I'm not the one that opened them. It was delivered to my brother, and he could not wait for me to come and get it. He opened it. I mean, does he not know I'm a YouTuber and I have to unbox for you guys? But yeah, so we're just going to open this together. I have not actually seen it, so we're going to open it together. Okay, so just these two things came today. So this is a purse, and guys, to be honest, some things in Aliexpress comes really fast. Like these two items here, I got them like I think 2 weeks ago or even less than 2 weeks ago, and they are here. I mean, okay, it's really simple and cute, and I went for black because black is just it. But yeah, this is everything. Actually very beautiful. It's supposed to be like a floor mat, something like that, guys. This is what it is. Okay, this is actually very long. I thought it was not going to be as long as this, but guys, this is it. This is beautiful. I love it. I love it. It's so beautiful. This is the home page of my phone. My Aliexpress app is here already. If you do not have the app already, you can go to your Apple Store to download, or to your Play Store to download. So you're going to go to the Aliexpress app. So if this is your first time here, you are going to have the account icon here, and it's going to be blank. Okay, just where my own is registered here and every other thing I have here, yours is not going to be like that. Okay, so now you're going to go to the settings area by the right hand corner, and you're going to click on that. So once you do that, you're going to, if you are in Nigeria, you can change the currency to naira. Okay, so you'll be able to see everything you are buying in naira instead of you to see them in dollars and then try to convert. You're just going to see everything in naira. Okay, then you just probably try to arrange or set your profile. Okay, so ship to, mine is already shipped to Nigeria. Anywhere you are in the world, you just put it in the icon or in the place for ship to. Okay, then you go to your shipping address. I'm literally just trying to pinpoint those places that are important to you when you're trying to make an order. Go to your shipping address, and then this is where you're going to do the main thing. Okay, so if this is your first time here, mine has 2 addresses already. When I was in school, I have an address there, and when I came back to Abuja, I also have an address. That is why I have 2 addresses. Okay, so yours will be plain if this is your first time. Then you should click on edit. Let me just edit the one from my school so we can just do this together. So the first thing you're going to see is your country or region. I'm in Nigeria, so when Nigeria is placed here already, the contact address, you put in your name, and then the next thing you put in your phone number. The next thing to do is the shipping address proper. First box over here, this is where you're going to put your direct address. Let's say you're staying in number 4 Daniel Street, Abuja. You're going to put number 4 Daniel Street, Abuja. If you also have the PMO box or anything, you can basically just put like everything on the first box. Okay, now the second box is optional. Okay, your suite, your apartment unit, it is optional, and there is nothing there for me. Now the third one you're going to add is your state. Okay, when you click that, you're going to see the option for your state. The next one here is your local government of the location you are in. Okay, so you're going to add in the local government. Last thing you're going to add is your postal code or your zip code. Okay, now this is the, if I want to say, this is going to be like the most important thing you need here, because from your postal code or your zip code, this is where your order is going to be shipped to. Okay, and most times Aliexpress deliver via post office, or they can deliver, I think the other one they started delivering to me lately is SpeedX, I think SpeedX, something like that. I'm not so sure of the name. So your postal code, your zip code is really important, so just make sure that this is right. Make sure you get this one right. Okay, now you can probably check on Google to get the correct postal code of the area you are in. If you also know the post office you are staying, you can just go directly to the post office to ask them of their postal code or their zip code. Okay, so you could just search on Google for the for the zip code or the postal code of your area, and you will get it. Or you go to the post office, like I said, and get your postal code. Or if you know any other way you can get your postal code, just do that. Just make sure that it is correct. Okay, so when you're done, you will save. Now once we are done with the shipping address and you want to make an order, so you just come and you click on something. What are we going to click on here? That's what we're going to click on here. Okay, so let's just click on this. Now you click on this and you add to cart. Okay, you can probably just buy directly. I advise you just add to cart. You add to cart, you select everything you want to select. Okay, and with time you just get used to the app and all. Then you continue, you go to shopping cart by your right hand side. Okay, so you click on that. Now when you click on that, you're going to get everything on your cart list. Now it depends. If you want to get everything at once, you just keep clicking. If you do not want to get everything at once, you just probably click what you want. Now you can see on the checkout, you can see everything that is here. In dollars, everything is about $33.66, and in naira it's about 14,000 naira plus. Okay, so you check out, and once you check out, you would see the shipping address of where you want to be shipped to and every other thing here. Now if this is your first time of ordering, also they're going to ask you to put in your card details. Okay, now if you are using in Nigeria naira, from what I have heard lately, you cannot order things more than $20 in a month. That is really small. Right now, sometimes you want to order and you're not even able to order, even if you've not gotten anything up to $20. So if you're having issues with your naira card, you should probably try to get a dollar debit card. Open a domiciliary account and get your dollar debit card. With that card, you'll be able to order as much as you want. Okay, so when you are done with that, you just click on pay now, and that is going to be that. Once you're done with that, you're going to see what you ordered from your account. Okay, you go to account, then the first one you're going to see here is your unpaid order, to be shipped and to be reviewed. Okay, now if you just place an order, you're going to see them to be shipped. After some hours, or probably after a day or so, it's going to come to the next icon, which is the shipped icon, and then you'll be able to just track in your orders and everything that is coming in for you. Okay, so I have a couple of things I ordered. Yeah, that is that. Now with time, okay, I really cannot start telling you everything in detail about AliExpress, but this should be the main thing, or like the things you should know when you want to place an order. Now with time, you probably get used to the app and explore as much as you can. Okay,